Hello everyone, so it's the old video, let's put this over here. So basically this, the video that I'm doing now is on posting or mini Twitter, basically like a CRUD practice is what it is, let's be honest. And on my other screen I've got my JSON open and my editor. So what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to put it right here because I can. And oh, why is it doing this? Cool. And basically I can run the build. So because what it is basically in normal JavaScript, but it's in webpack and babel. So I can actually do this guy because I've got my build folder done. And only thing is that to make this work, what I actually have to do is go into my API and JSON server. That one. Okie doke, so my server, my API is running now. So if I go over here and say I want to do, oh yeah, stupid stuff from all the other apps, hate autocomplete. So let's say post one, say this is a post. Post it, there it is. It's two of them, okay. Oh, that's the old post because I still had that in the database. Okay, so I will post one. If I say post two, and this is also a post. Okay, I'll post that guy, he is first. So it's kind of done in the blog way, where I'm shifting into the array instead of pushing. So the newest entry is always the first. And then if I want to edit it, there we go. I don't know why that didn't work. It's always something weird. So I get my post into the form. I can change it. So I say this is now post 3. And this is a different post now. Let's do that. Okay, update post, and it updates the post that we did. If I delete it, it gets deleted, and that's about it. So this changes to update post, and when I say update post, it changes back to add post, and that is literally it for the functionality. It's super simple. You can just save stuff, and it's literally what it is a CRUD practice. So you can do create, edit, delete, read. That's the fourth one. Yeah. So that's about it. It's more about the webpack and babel setup, and yeah, that's it. Trying to make it nice and short. So yeah, I'm going to disappear and let's go through the code. Okie doke. So here is our code. So let me go to desktop where I just put it. So here we are. And we've got, so that's the build folder that I was just using. So there's the bundle from webpack. So in our API, we've got the DB JSON, which is our little database. It's not very good for production, but if you just want something for yourself, it's pretty good. And it's good for just testing stuff. If you want to test your async functions, anything like that, it's pretty good because it mocks the database really well. Package the JSON. Let's see what all I'm using. Yeah, so Webpack dev server and Webpack stat and dependencies, Babel core, Babel polyfill, Sedan, Babel loader, Webpack, Webpack CR, Webpack dev server. That's it, and then Axios and JSON server as normal dependencies. Coolio. So this is actually a, I'm using Fun Awesome and Bootstrap. I usually use those two. Tried Semantic UI and what's the other one? some other UI just for React, but for vanilla JavaScript, Bootstrap's just the one. I just love it. Makes everything so easy. So that's our index file. We've got src. Oh, actually, I should have in assets. I've got my CSS, and that's it. That's all my CSS because Bootstrap is awesome. So app.js does the async, so that's the CRUD. So we've got some post, deletion, and edit. Yeah, so I've got my listeners basically set up over here. So on start, we are fetching all the posts, and then we've got query selector for the input, and we're listening for post submit to submit post, and if it's an edit, so depending on in what state the form is. Based on that, we're doing the operation. And listen for deletion and edit is sorry, that just got a bit confused here. Yeah, so we've got based on the class. If the class, basically, if the icon, if you click on the icon, you get the ID, and based on the ID, you can then delete the post. So that is about it. Get all the posts. Yeah, so this is again just using Axios to get everything from where I need it. So the only thing is, obviously, if you're using different, if you start your app on 3000 and then do your JSON on 3001, or the other way around, you wanna check for that. So here I'm trying to find out where I put it. I put the setup, but webpack config. Be that no. Okay. Oh well. Anyway, so here's so the UI is a class, ES6 class with DOM selectors or DOM elements, sorry, and then methods. So show all posts, and then basically doing the output as the inner HTML for each post. And then clear inputs after submitting form. Show alert is basically a message which gets displayed after creating a post or deleting a post. The message changes based on that. And then hide alert is just a little async thing, just a set timeout, basically for like a second and a half or something. I can have a look. I've got it somewhere down here. That's not the one. Oh, come on. There we go. Yeah, second and a half. So that's that. And then film form with data is on edit. So it takes the data based on the ID from a database and fills in the form. And then there's the patch async command to async function to update the post. And there's the change form state, just whether it's editing or whether it's adding. So that is literally it. It's nice and simple, but it's good practice for basically CRUD operations. It's mainly, the webpack and the babel setup. That was the whole goal with this app at first, to have my startup file for any kind of vanilla JS apps that would need modules. And whilst I was at it, I just created this. Coolio! So that is it, I think. There's nothing else. Yeah, cool. So thank you for watching. That's it. I'm going to disappear. Bye.